giving you positive encouragement to start your day. Here's your inspirational vitamin from V103.
Good evening. It is time for your inspirational vitamin. Where there is no guidance, the people fail. Where there is no guidance, the people fail. That's from Proverbs 11:14. But then it goes on to say, but in abundance of counselors, there is victory. In abundance of counselors. You know, God expected us to live with families, in communities, in congregations. And there's a reason for that. Because when you're wondering what to do, when you're stuck in a situation and you're trying to make the best choice, God says, ask those closest to you for advice. Now, it doesn't mean you have to just take their advice and run with it. You also have to go back to God in prayer and ask for confirmation. Lord, most of the people around me say I should do X, Y, Z. Give me the confirmation I need to know if that is the right decision you want for me in my life. You know, when you ask for advice, you also have to ask for confirmation. And God will give you that confirmation. He'll do something in your life and you'll be like, you know what? I got it. You're absolutely right, God. But you never know until you ask and until you pray and then ask for that confirmation. And that is your inspirational vitamin. Have a good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.